y'all, Kobe Custom here, and welcome to my YouTube channel where I display my hobbies anywhere from model cars to upholstery to mechanical, electrical, and I got a couple of project cars that I'll be building. Come along with me and let's check it out. Hey y'all, Kobe Custom here, and yeah, you guessed it, I'm working on a 1969 Chevy Camaro convertible, aka Old Mojo Killer. But anyway, let's get this camera turned around and let you see what I got going on today. Alright, after getting the upper and lower the upper and lower A-arms bolted up, the ball joints, the coil spring, and the shock install, I noticed this little black cap on the ground. Okay, so that black cap, they cover the grease fitting. So I'm trying to figure out where they came from. And it fell off or came off. Hold on, bear with me. That little dude right there. So anyway, I done got this frame all painted and nice and pretty looking. And it was hidden right up in this little area here. So I had to go in here and trim it out. I guess I'll go in here with some touch-up paint. And it is what it is. So, it was either that or take all this apart and try to go in there. And I was like, I ain't doing that. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and touch that up and keep on pushing. But anyway, it's still coming to a block near you. Oh, yeah.